Welcome, fam. You ever wake up feeling foggy? Not exhausted, just disconnected. Like your body's moving, but your spirit hasn't caught up. This is how we reconnect breath to body and body to strength. Let's hit the mat. If your shoulders are tight or your breath feels shallow, this stretch will open space where stress hides. We're starting with rotation because your spine is meant to move, not brace. Begin on all fours, reach your right arm underneath your left arm, threading through. Drop your right shoulder and temple to the mat. Keep your left hand grounded or extended forward for a deeper stretch. You're going to feel a stretch across the upper back, between the shoulder blades and along the spine. This move calms your nervous system, resets posture, and makes space for full body alignment. You'll feel this deeper once we move to the other side. Watch how your body shifts. Sink just 1 inch deeper. Breathe into the stretch. Can you feel where your tension collects behind the shoulder blade? That just unlocked your upper back. Now let's even you out. Your left side carries different weight. This move reveals that and helps balance it. Same setup, opposite side. Left arm threads under the right, shoulder and temple to the mat. Breathe into the rib cage, not the neck. You're going to feel openness through the lats, a release in the mid-back, and a breath returning to your left lung. This equalizes tension between the sides, so you move with more grace, less grind. Rotational tightness is often what causes neck pain, not posture alone. Lengthen the exhale, 5 more seconds. Does this side feel tighter? That's your body telling you where to focus today. That just evened out your foundation. Now let's open your front. You've carried stress across your chest like armor. This stretch helps you take it off. Stand or kneel tall. Interlace your hands behind your back or grab a towel. Pull your knuckles toward the floor, lift your chest and open the heart. Keep your ribs down, don't flare. You're going to feel an expansion across the chest, stretch in the shoulders, light lift through the sternum. This reverses hours of forward collapse at your desk, in your phone, and in your thoughts. This will make the next side bend feel twice as deep. Squeeze your shoulder blades gently together. 5 more seconds. Can you lift your heart without tensing your neck? That just opened your chest. Now let's lengthen your sides. Tension doesn't just live in your back, it lingers in your sides, where breath gets trapped. This stretch helps it escape. Stand tall, feet shoulder width apart. Reach your right arm overhead. Lean gently to the left. Keep hips grounded and chest open. Switch sides after 30 seconds. You're going to feel length from hip to rib cage, breath expanding into the stretch. This opens your intercostal muscles, making it easier to breathe, move, and stand tall. Side bends can actually help reduce bloating because they massage the digestive tract. Reach just 1 inch taller. Hold 5 more seconds. Are you bending or collapsing? That just freed your breath. Now let's ground the nervous system. This is stillness with purpose, a stretch that invites peace into your posture. Start on all fours or walk your hands forward, keeping hips high and stacked over knees. Lower your chest toward the mat, forehead or chin resting down. Melt into the stretch. You're going to feel opening across the shoulders, upper back, and spine. This resets your nervous system. It's not just a stretch, it's a surrender. You'll need this calm control as we finish with activation. Can you slow your next exhale to a 6 count? Stay with it. Can you find stillness even in intensity? that just released your nervous system, let's finish by bringing strength into it. We end with fire because mobility isn't complete without power to match. Start in a kneeling position, sit back towards your heels, then squeeze glutes to press hips forward to kneeling. Hands on hips or out front for balance. You're going to feel your glutes engaging, hip flexors stretching, and a controlled lift on the mat and in life. Hip extension improves digestion, posture, and even your walking gait. Add a 1-second pause at the top. Own the motion. Are you moving with purpose or just getting through it? That just activated your center. But tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints, it lives in your mind, it shows up in your habits. It drains your energy even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan. You need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily stretch flows that reconnect you to your body, scripture plus mindset shifts to clear the mental fog, a Bible-based nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth, not trends. If you've been running on empty, this is how you come back stronger. Tap the link in the description or pinned comment to start your free 3-day reset now. Because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts.